And this is the Simplex 9838. Just close the door and hear what it sounds like from out here. You can hear a little bit. No one's here, so well, I'm still trying to keep it down because there may be some other people sleeping here. Because yes, it's another keyboard simulation. Definitely hear it from the bathroom. Alright, and there we go. There is a Simplex 9838 on continuous. Yes, being done with the keyboard. And that was a simulation of another fire alarm system test. So thanks for watching.